A caffeine in black coffee stimulates the brain and improves concentration. Black coffee has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, which may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Over time, regular consumption may support cardiovascular health when taken in moderate amounts, potentially improving blood vessel function. Caffeine may enhance neurological signaling, supporting faster reaction time and improved cognitive processing. Certain compounds in coffee, such as chlorogenic acids, may contribute to reduced inflammation in the body. Black coffee may support gut health. This simple drink has become popular for improving focus and supporting fat loss. It's rich in antioxidants and has natural metabolism-boosting properties. By stimulating gastric acid secretion and aiding digestion, it can promote mild appetite suppression, which may help with calorie control and weight management. Studies suggest coffee consumption may be associated with a lower risk of neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Caffeine may improve focus and attention span, particularly in mentally demanding tasks. Black coffee may enhance fat oxidation during physical activity, making it beneficial before workouts. It may support mitochondrial function, which is essential for cellular energy production. Some research indicates coffee drinkers may have a reduced risk of certain liver conditions, including fatty liver disease. Black coffee may help reduce the buildup of harmful proteins in the brain linked to cognitive decline. A coffee contains caffeine and antioxidants that support both physical and mental energy. Caffeine stimulates alertness, while antioxidants fight cellular stress for sustained vitality. It may support healthy circulation by improving endothelial function. Caffeine can stimulate the central nervous system, helping reduce feelings of fatigue and sluggishness. Black coffee may contribute to improved metabolic flexibility, allowing the body to switch between fuel sources more efficiently. Regular intake may be associated with a lower risk of certain chronic inflammatory conditions. Coffee contains micronutrients such as magnesium and potassium, which support overall body function. It may help improve alertness and reduce the risk of accidents caused by drowsiness. Black coffee may support hormonal balance related to energy and stress response. Some evidence suggests it may contribute to longevity when part of a balanced lifestyle. Caffeine may enhance memory consolidation and loading capacity. In the short term, black coffee may help reduce perceived effort during exercise and support fat burning. I always keep a mug handy to stay sharp. It's a simple way to boost your routine. Improving performance, it can support mental resilience by improving wakefulness and cognitive endurance. Certain bioactive compounds in coffee may have protective against cellular aging. Moderate coffee consumption may be linked to reduced mortality risk in some population studies. Black coffee for brain health, metabolism, longevity, and overall wellness. Black coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, and research suggests it offers multiple health benefits beyond energy and fat burning. When consumed in moderation, black coffee supports metabolism, brain health, and long-term wellness. One of the key benefits of black coffee. A caffeine in black coffee stimulates and improves concentration. It works by blocking adenosine, a chemical that may increase alertness and better focus. A simple way to stay sharp is its role in metabolic function. Caffeine increases thermogenesis, which helps the body burn calories more efficiently. This increased metabolic activity can support weight management and energy levels throughout the day. Black coffee also contains antioxidants, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is associated with aging and chronic health conditions. Antioxidants in coffee help reduce cellular damage and support long-term health. Another important benefit of black coffee is brain health support. Research suggests caffeine may help improve cognitive performance, memory, and mental alertness. Black coffee may also support long-term brain health. Black coffee is low in calories and may support weight management naturally. by protecting neurons and reducing inflammation. Black coffee may also support mood and mental well-being. Caffeine helps increase dopamine and serotonin activity, which may help improve mood and reduce mental fatigue. In addition, black coffee supports physical energy and endurance. By improving cellular energy production, black coffee helps maintain productivity in daily. Black coffee is more than just a daily habit. It is a functional beverage with wide-ranging benefits for metabolism, brain function, physical performance, and long-term wellness. When consumed in moderation and without additives, it can support both immediate energy needs and long-term wellness goals. This completes the Black Coffee Health series.